breakfast. I finished my sign language course, and being that my husband made breakfast, it's my turn to clean.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking.
Dishes are done, but what I want to do now is clean the oven. We've been using it quite a bit since we've been home, and it's getting like really nasty in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make like a homemade kind of cleaning solution. The only thing is I do not have baking soda, which I know is really good for something like this. I will come up with my own concoction and see if that actually works to help get all that nastiness off. So I just found like an old spray bottle, and I'm using this, adding some water, some vinegar, a little bit of dish washing liquid, and I'm gonna spray that all over the oven, let that sit for a little bit, and then use a little bit of aluminum foil to kind of get everything off.
Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and then for hours.
I'm gonna let that sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll come back to it. Okay, so I've let that sit for a while. I'm just taking a little bit of aluminum foil, creating a little ball, and I'm gonna scrape everything off with this. Let me actually put on some gloves.
How did we ever come this way? I know you don't want to stay. Dreaming right in space, keep rushing down the highway. Keep yourself busy on the Sundays. You keep doing you, I do it my way.
I definitely think the baking soda would have helped a whole lot with this, because it is really hard to get this grease off. Maybe a white shirt wasn't ideal for this. Okay, baking soda was definitely needed for this project, because I don't think that did much. It took off some of the grease, but it's not completely gone, and I know baking soda will make it so easy to get this stuff off. But it looks a little bit better. Managed to make it out today. Going for a nice walk in the park. I could tell you're smiling. So we just got back from our nice long walk in the park, and I was lucky enough to have a bird poop in my hair, so I am gonna have to wash that out today, right after we eat these tacos. Good morning, or good afternoon I should say. We woke up pretty late today, got a late start, just had some breakfast and coffee, and my hair is actually, I mean, it looks good, still a little bit damp towards the middle, but the most important thing is I got the bird poop out of my head, so good start. So I'm gonna make another attempt at cleaning the oven. Yesterday when we went out for a walk, we were also able to pick up some baking soda. So I'm gonna throw that on again with the water, vinegar, and dishwashing liquid, and let that sit for a while. And I think everything should come off smoothly this time. Second attempt at this. I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and I'll be back. Wait, so you don't put anything on your head? Or
no, it's just to get off the hair. Take off the hair. So go up like that.
Against the grain?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you take off all the hair and then you see. Paso a paso, if you're going too fast, you're not going to stop. So everything has to be smooth enough that I can just shave it. So no longer everywhere.
You need one of those brushes to get the hair off.
So come your brushes.
That's gonna scrape your head. You need one of those soft things that they have at the barber.
You don't have one like that?
No. What is that gonna do to my hair? I think I got one.
So you think I can just shave?
Wow, you look like a different person already. Opening up my own barbershop.
I don't know about that.
Come on.
But thank you, thank you.
So it's been a super lazy Sunday. I've been on the couch most of the day just watching TV and editing a few clips that I had. You guys saw that I also cleaned out the oven, but now I'm gonna make us some dinner. I'm gonna make an eggplant lasagna. I tried it a couple weeks ago and it turned out really, really good. So this is gonna be my second attempt at it, and I really hope it turns out the way it did the first time. So I'm using these no-boil lasagna noodles from Trader Joe's. I used them last time for the eggplant lasagna and I felt like they were still kind of hard. So I am gonna boil them for about 5 minutes and then I will use them to start layering my lasagna. The oven is already preheating and I also just put some water on the stove to start boiling for my noodles. This is completely unrelated to the lasagna, but as you guys saw earlier, I used our sponge to clean off the oven a bit, and I had to get rid of it obviously because it was pretty nasty, and we had been using it for I guess 2 weeks at this point. But what we usually do with these little packs of sponges is we cut them in half, and I guess they last twice as long, but you don't need the whole sponge all the time. So that's a tip to be less wasteful. Just use a scissor, cut it in half. So I have a little oil in here. I'm gonna start getting my sauce seasoned and going. Adding some minced garlic. And ragu. I don't usually get ragu because it has a whole lot of sugar in it, but it was one of the last tomato sauces that were left, so I grabbed it. And also make sure you are rinsing your jars out if you're not keeping them for any other purposes.